Samsung's thinnest phone ever is coming. The Galaxy S25 Edge drops on May 13th, and it's set to outshine Apple's iPhone 17 Air. Ready for the future? What's good, tech fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge is launching on May 13, 2025 at a Galaxy Unpacked event, and it's stealing the spotlight. This ultra-slim beast is Samsung's answer to Apple's iPhone 17 Air. Let's unpack the hype. According to sources, the Galaxy S25 Edge hits China and South Korea on May 23rd, with the US and global markets following on May 30th. First teased at January's Galaxy S25 launch and flaunted at MWC 2025, it's Samsung's thinnest phone ever at just 5.8mm. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it matches the S25 series flagship performance with 12GB RAM and 200MP dual camera setup, starting at 1.5 million won, or about $1,050 for 256GB. It slots between the S25 Plus and Ultra. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. 5.8mm, it's slimmer than the 7.3mm S25 Plus and nearly as thin as the iPhone 17 Air's rumored 5.5mm. Its titanium frame and ceramic back screen premium, and a 6.7-inch AMO LED display rivals the best. X-users are hyped. They're calling it a game changer for its 200MP camera and sleek design. As Apple preps its slim iPhone, Samsung's striking first in the thin phone race. Mark your calendars, May 13th for the online Unpacked reveal, with pre-orders from May 14 to 20th in China and South Korea. Sales start there on May 23rd, and the US gets it May 30th. With only 40,000 units initially, it might sell out fast. The catch? A rumored 4,000 mAh battery could raise endurance questions, but One UI 7 and Galaxy AI should keep it efficient. Stay tuned for colors like titanium icy blue. Don't miss the Galaxy S25 Edge. Visit Samsung.com for pre-order details starting May 14th. Subscribe for launch updates, hit that like button, and comment if you're Team Samsung or Apple.